Good evening, my friends. Here we are, my favourite place, down the brook, going to do a little bit of crayfishing. I've had my pots in for a couple of days. I know there's some in there. We're going to get them out. But first of all, we need a brew. Every day is Christmas when you're crayfishing at night. We got some. Shake, rattle and roll, baby. Right, if I can undo this clip. Oh, look. Give the man a hand. Right. Nice selection in there. I'm going to cook one of these just to show you what all the hype's about. As you can see, yeah, American signal, got the red underneath. So I am just going to give this a little fettle and we're going to get it into there. So like all shellfish, it's got to be done live. Remember people, these are a pest, they have to be exterminated, and that's the way to do it. So we're just going to cook that for a few minutes, bring it up to the boil. But yeah, crazy creatures, they're all trying to walk out of here. Some nice big ones in there, as you can see. Look at him. Yeah, he's got a good pair on him. Oh yes. So they will go in the bucket, go home. Bearing in mind, once you catch these, look, you can't put them back. Very invasive, very aggressive. They will undermine the banks. Let me just check my pot. Undermine the banks. They carry the crayfish plague, which they are immune to, but our own crayfish aren't. They are a proper danger. They'll eat all the fish eggs, they'll eat all the little fish. So I'm waiting for this to turn, change colour. Let's have a look at him a minute. No expense spared. The colours are something Picasso would paint. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to give that another minute. And then we're going to get it out. As you can see, boiling like a good one. I can turn me wonderful little stove off. I want to drain this, clean your plate. Don't know if you can see that. The colour of that on there is absolutely superb. I'm going to cool it down this stream. Just gently pull the tail off. It's so hot, and I'm going to take off those claws. It might be big enough to get a little bit of meat out of it. I mean, you don't get a great deal, but what you do get is pure gold. Oh, that's hot. Note to self: don't peel red hot crays. Nice and gently press on the tail and the body comes free. Get rid of the unscar. Look at that. What I got here, this Marco Polo, is about as much use as a chocolate teapot as a knife, but it's great for cracking this proper field well, stream to plate, and you get that lovely bit of claw meat. Yeah, then the mooey. Job's a good one. Thank you for watching, my friends. Give this a share, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you again soon. What did I do with that other one? There it is. Take care, have a pleasant evening.